Okay. Corona. Ashton Small. We here. Have you done this before?
No.
First?
It is my first time.
First time?
I'm scared.
You scared? Indian Ash. First time? Both of my brothers first time. My first time. I never did Shia Butter either.
Are you good?
I'm good. Love. That's what I do. Who is your favorite gospel artist?
Bread of life, send down your glory. Everything you were on earth, a holy king, the carpenter. You are the living word.
You are the living word.
That's it.
Is that your song?
That's not my song.
You are the living word. What is it?
Jesus, Jesus, that's what we call you.
That's the same song?
Yeah. Made you born on a tree. You died to save humanity. You are the living word. Oh, 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 oh. You are the living word.
God bless you, bro. Good to meet, bro.
Appreciate it.
Ooh, stay up.
Appreciate it. Hold on, my man.
God bless you.
Stay
Keep going.
blessed in Jesus'
Yes,
name.
sir. Stay up.
Gracias.
In Jesus' name. You are the living word. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh.
You just say bye to me.
Oh, my guy. Brother, you looking good, bro.
Respect, boss.
Respect, bro.
Can you kick and do strong thing?
I don't kick people.
Punch.
Listen.
My strength is too much.
Listen.
Good.
We use no force
Okay.
unless we protect our women. Everything outside of that is peace. Everything outside of that is blessings.
Respect.
That's
respect,
it. It's respect.
Respect.
I do like your brand, though.
Respect.
I
My strength is too
look,
much.
Look, I respect your brand.
Thank you.
You keep going. You never stop.
Thank you.
All right? You keep going. You
Thank
never
you,
stop.
thank you.
Y'all check him out. Love, bro. Stay up. Blessings. No worries. We needed to do that. Thanks for having me, brother. Well, you look fly. I need my shirt. Can I get a shirt? Huh? It's Miami vibe. This is Miami mixed with the Nigeria vibe. Oh, really? Ah, okay. What part? Oh, really? Sunny Isles, okay. Should I put on a shirt? Okay. Oh. You are the living word. Go ahead. Oh. Go ahead.
Nothing could put right with that kind of discussion. What Spain have done, perhaps.
You are the living word. Be careful. Quick. Too easy. Can we swim in the water? No? Dangerous? Yeah, this is crazy. No swimming in this. Here. Hold on, wait. Here, you got it. You. You're good. Oh. Thank you. Oh yeah, the boots, the booty. What is it called? What do they call this?
The shoe covers.
Shoe covers?
Cover your shoes.
I think in America they call these like the The Butsy or some junk. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh. Thank you, bro. Thank you, brother.
What's that?
Ah, dang. Okay, that's good.
There you go.
Wow. This is a boat. Boat.
Yeah, sorry. Like, so there's people inside here.
Doing good, doing good, doing good. Thank you, thank you. You should do video here. Ashley can film for you. Get Ashley. We'll use our phone. Be positive. Use Ashley. She'll film it for you. No worries. You got it. You got it. I'll get Ashley to film it right now for you. Hold on. Y'all go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. So, chat, we got him on a boat in Nigeria. Indian Ashton Hall. Ashton Small. Beautiful boat. God is amazing. Hey, did Ashley and Dante come? Cause no, because they can get him a video.
Stay down, stay down.
Or just somebody else from our team. Yeah, yeah, easy. No worries, it's all good. It's all good. They don't have to. Oh, it's raining. Oh, okay.
Yo, I'm the one. Yeah.
Him. She's gonna get you content. Let's get it. Are we starting in here? I think they said go back inside because it's storming. No?
Storming.
It's not?
No.
The Nigerian way. The Nigerian way. This is fire.
Have you met the captain?
Yeah, I met him.
Okay, great.
Brother, I appreciate you.
Thank you very much.
So what are these? Are these party boats?
Yes, these are party boats.
Okay.
For rental here. This 620 people, 610, this is 15.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay.
Do all types of stuff on there.
Dang.
Dinners, massages.
Oh, really?
parties, Relaxing.
Really?
chilling, anything.
And they take it on the water too?
Yeah, it goes on the water.
Dang. At night?
You want to try?
I'm down for whatever. Hey, look,
Hey, let's do
I'm the guest. You let me know what we're doing.
Let's do it.
We're here for whatever.
Let's do it.
This is beautiful though.
Let's do it.
So what kind of boat is this called?
It's called a V Marine.
V Marine?
It's an aquator boat. It's called V Marine Aquator.
Equator?
Yeah.
Okay, that's smooth.
Yeah.
I like it.
Yeah, from the out of Bahrain.
Oh, really? Ah. Yeah, let's do it.
By local sports lounge.
Oh, really?
Brought them in. It's the first really exclusive boat that we had here in Nigeria.
Oh, really?
Yes, sir.
The first exclusive boat they've had in Nigeria. It's called what?
It's called the Aquator from local
The
sport lounge.
Aquadator from Loco?
Yes, sir.
Loco Spot Lounge?
Yes, sir.
This feels like Miami. It feels like Miami out here.
It does feel like Miami. I mean, Miami ain't got this space on the boy except you're doing a
Yeah, nah, Miami ain't got the space on this,
This
bro.
space is something.
The city, I'm talking about the city, the energy.
It
It's
is
just
so
like, you know, it's booming.
So vibrant.
Yeah,
How
it's-
you feeling this again?
I love it. It's cool. It's been fun.
Come back again?
Yeah, come on. I don't want to leave. That's the problem. I don't want to leave. So, yeah.
Okay, and then this is Yomar. From
Yomar.
Okay, yeah.
Good to meet you.
Same here.
Okay, you're Nigerian
Yes,
from here.
Nigerian, yes.
Okay, cool. So what does she do?
So Yoma was gonna do the massages, or Riki was gonna do the massages.
Oh,
on
massage
top of the boat.
therapist?
Yeah, and then the showers of blessing.
Yeah,
came
yeah,
down,
yeah,
but
yeah, yeah.
I think we're gonna figure it out.
Yes, we are, because I think the rain is almost out.
It seems like it's stopping right now.
Yes, so
It seems
yeah.
like it's stopping. Even if we do quick one, let's do it.
Exactly.
Let's do
Yes.
something. Come on,
Exactly.
let's do it. We can do it now.
Yes.
Okay.
All
Yeah.
right.
Let's
Go
set
grab
up.
your stuff.
Let's set up.
Thank you. Okay. And then.
Chat, massage right now. Massage. Have you ever had a massage before? Never?
Never.
Massage. Never had
Never.
a
My child,
Massage?
my assistant massage.
Really? Your assistant? This is
So,
Definitely going to
so
be way better.
it's the Indian National Hall. This is Indian National Hall, very famous in India.
Oh, wow.
And then this is Ashton Small.
Yeah, it's a pleasure. Nice to meet you.
He's from Gwanda.
Okay.
Yeah, his push is disability is not inability.
Yeah, definitely.
Very motivating guy.
Okay, go ahead. Yeah. Yes. Let's have the first. Okay, sir.
You are the living word. Huh? Yeah. We'll give him at least 10 minutes so he can get some content and stuff like that. Yeah. I think they want some clips. Hmm? Yeah, no, I'm saying like them. Like them, yeah, all three of us are there. Flip it around.
Yes, it's in here.
Turn around.
So it's going to be set up pretty soon. Turn it around. Wellness and spa brand. And the name Oriki itself is a Yoruba origin name, and so it basically means like your crown.
Your
or-
crown?
Yes. your
We'll put this
crown
one right
or
here in the middle.
heritage, yeah. So, pride ourselves in having products, spas and products.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
We'll put this one right in the middle and then I'll hop right on before the rain comes back. Boom.
So I think we could do the two. So this one here, so we could do 3 massages at the same time.
Oh, this is no good?
No, for space.
Oh,
I
okay,
need
okay,
to go
okay.
around.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay, what's the... No, no, no.
Oh, yeah? Good, good. Who? Ronaldo. Oh, Ronaldo's playing? Portugal and who? Spain?
Yes, you can get on it.
Hey, Portugal and Spain. Oh, Portugal and Spain? Who's winning? Huh?
Yes, you can be
All right, I'm good. I can get on like this?
Yeah.
All right. Oh, boy.
You don't want to take your shoes off?
Not really.
Sure.
Yeah. The Nigerian way.
And for the massages, they're going to use organic oils for you.
Okay.
All sourced in Nigeria.
Shea butter?
Yes. In fact, there's a particular product, is one of our best sellers. It's shea butter spray.
Okay.
Shea butter with some other very potent
Corona.
organic oils. Very fantastic for the skin. Very rejuvenating.
Ashton Small. We here. Have you done this before?
No,
First
it is my first time.
first time?
I'm scared.
You scared? Indian Ash. First time? Ah. Both of my brothers first time. My first time. I never did shea butter either.
Are you good?
I'm great. Let's do it.
But my safety doesn't have to be one of them. That is why I use InDrive. With InDrive, I get to see the driver's ratings.
Sometimes I wanna
And then we're getting dropped on from hotel. Sorry, restaurant. No, somewhere to park and then drive. They'll go. Yeah, the way he said that was kind of like. That's actually like a soothing massage.
With some.
Jeez.
Is the pressure okay? Are you
The pressure is good. Perfect.
Wait. Damn, my legs. It's full.
Billy. Yeah. The bag is this is not. We're just jeopardizing it. It's jeopardizing it. Take off your shoes. I have the stand right here.
Probably take off our shoes here, right?